that tells me that the homeowner did it himself. You talked about that little gauge. You called it a gauge. It's called a manometer. So in a properly installed system, there's going to be that little plastic tube that's going to have a red or blue or green colored water in that tube. What that tube is it's just a visual way for you to look and make sure that the system is working. Because if the fan is working and there's actually suction in the pipe, the levels of the water are going to be offset. That shows that there's draw. If ever you go down in the basement or wherever it is and it needs to be installed in a place where you could see it on a regular basis. So in a laundry room, in the furnace room maybe where they put the system installed, in a garage where you might walk by it as you come in the home, they're not going to put that manometer up in the attic, so you have to go up in the attic and check it. So if you ever walk by it and you see the levels are equal, that means the fan's no longer working. Either the fan has stopped running, the breaker shut off, the fan doesn't have power, a bird found the discharge tube and built a nest and clogged it. Whatever might be going on, it tells you the fan's not working, so that means the system's not working.